All right, I just purchased this multi-purpose router table switch. It has your switch, and it also has two receptacles on the back. One is for your router, and the other one can be for your dust collection system. It also comes with 2 bolts and 2 nuts and the instruction manual. That is it. So this is pretty simple to install. Simply finding a nice location on your router table. We've got the Kreg stand as well, so this is kind of, purposed specifically for the Kreg stand. So if you have another type of stand that you're using, you're probably going to have to drill the holes yourself. This one here actually comes with the holes pre-mounted anywhere really that you want. I typically like to install these, or any switch for that matter, emergency switch, on the side where you're going to be whenever you're in-feeding your material. So it'd be the router side of the fence. So right here, as you can see, the holes are already lined up with the holes here. We don't have this plugged up, obviously. So I'm going to go ahead and install this. So you got your little baggie that your bolts and your nuts come in. It's pretty simple here. Nothing too difficult at all to install this. So we'll take one nut, one bolt. I'm using 2 hands, and my lovely wife is recording, so it makes things a lot easier. So I don't think I could do this by myself. I don't think I can do it by myself to begin with. All right, one thing I can tell you immediately is that the nuts are too small. The area is too tight to really get into real easily. Gotta have micro ninja hands here. Okay, well, I don't like that method, so we're going to try the bolt side in the back then. So you got this little pocket here, and you got to get your fingers in there and tighten the nut. That's not happening. So we're going to take and put the bolt through this way and put it through like so. It doesn't look as great, but it's a hell of a lot easier to install. All right, switch is on, so we're going to turn it off. We're going to plug this thing up and see if she works. All right, got my dust system on. I just need to turn the switch on, so we'll see if she operates. I like having outlets in the back end of this.